Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a chat message in Microsoft Teams. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to send a chat message, you want to scroll over to the left hand side of your screen. This is called the activity bar, and you want to click on the chat icon. Then you want to click on the little pencil inside of the square, which is the new chat button. Then you want to look for the person that you want to send your chat message to. In this case, I'm going to send a message to Jane Doe. You can either type the name and press tab or click on the name. Then you want to come down to the compose box and actually compose your message. In this case, I'll say, hey Jane, how are you? And then you want to go ahead and click on the little send icon. And that's it. That is how you send a chat message in Microsoft Teams. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorials by subscribing to my YouTube channel.